In a demanding marine environment, adhesives must withstand strong UV radiation, humidity, fresh water, and salt water. It's also crucial to seal durably and securely add-on components on a ship's deck and hull, as well as their interiors. H.B. Fuller has years of experience formulating products for the marine industry. With our adhesive solutions for ship and boat building, we meet all production requirements and deliver long-term stability to the final product for a wide range of applications.